Have you ever wondered why losing weight seems like an uphill battle? It's a common misconception that weight loss is this giant, insurmountable obstacle. But let's rethink that. Imagine weight loss as a journey, a series of small, achievable steps. It's not about drastic changes overnight. It's about making the right choices consistently, day in and day out. So, let's dispel the myth. Let's open up to the idea that weight loss can be simple, achievable. What if we told you that there's a simple step-by-step guide to losing weight? The first step towards successful weight loss is setting realistic goals. Aim for achievable milestones, like shedding 1 to 2 pounds per week. This approach keeps you motivated and prevents discouragement. On the flip side, setting lofty, unrealistic goals can lead to frustration, burnout, and even health risks. It's vital to understand that weight loss is a journey, not a sprint. It requires time, consistency, and a balanced approach. Remember, the key is to be realistic and patient with your weight loss journey. The second step is to eat balanced meals. Picture a plate divided into sections, each brimming with different food groups. You've got proteins, carbohydrates, fruits, vegetables, and a small portion for fats and sugars. This is what a balanced meal looks like. Now, you might be tempted to cut out an entire food group in the name of weight loss. But hold on a minute, that approach is neither sustainable nor healthy. Each food group brings unique nutrients to the table. Proteins keep you satiated, carbohydrates provide energy, fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins and minerals, and yes, even fats and sugars have a role to play in moderation. So, when planning your meals, remember to include all food groups. It's not about eating less, it's about eating right. And that's the beauty of a balanced meal. Healthy eating is not about depriving yourself, it's about fueling your body with the nutrients it needs. The third step is to incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Now, exercise is like the secret sauce in the recipe for weight loss. It not only burns calories, but also improves your overall health and boosts your mood. Regular physical activity can help you maintain your weight loss over the long run. The beauty of exercise is that it doesn't have to be a grueling, sweat-drenched ordeal. It can be anything that gets your body moving. You could choose brisk walking, cycling, swimming, or weightlifting, depending on what you enjoy. If you're a social butterfly, you could join a dance class or a sports team. If you're more of a lone wolf, you could try yoga or running. The key is to find something that you love, so it doesn't feel like a chore. Remember, the goal is to find a form of exercise that you enjoy and can stick to, so don't be afraid to experiment until you find your fit. The final step is to stay consistent and patient. Consistency is the key that unlocks the door to weight loss. When it comes to shedding those extra pounds, it's not about the big, drastic changes, it's the small, daily decisions that truly add up over time. And let's not forget about patience. Weight loss might not happen overnight, but that's okay. It's a journey, not a race. Think of your weight loss journey like climbing a mountain. You wouldn't expect to reach the summit in a single bound, would you? Of course not. You take it one step at a time, knowing that each step brings you closer to your goal. That's the approach you need to take with weight loss. Every balanced meal you eat, every workout you complete, every healthy choice you make is a step towards your goal. Remember, weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, be patient, and the results will follow. Now that we've gone through the steps, let's summarize. Embarking on a weight loss journey involves 4 key steps. First, setting realistic and achievable goals. Second, nourishing your body with balanced meals. Third, incorporating regular exercise into your routine. And lastly, staying consistent and patient because real change takes time. By following these steps, you can make your weight loss journey less of a battle and more of a rewarding experience. Start your journey today